Which things haram in Islam? In Islam, things that are considered haram, forbidden, include consumption of pork and alcohol. Muslims are prohibited from consuming pork and any food or drink containing alcohol. Usury, riba. Charging or paying interest is forbidden in Islam. Gambling, maisir, and games of chance. Activities that involve gambling or relying on chance are considered haram. Backbiting, ghibah. Speaking ill of others behind their backs is discouraged. Lying. Muslims are encouraged to speak the truth and avoid falsehood. Theft. Taking someone else's property without permission is forbidden. Adultery and fornication. Sexual relations outside of marriage are considered haram. Injustice and oppression. Treating others unfairly or causing harm without justification is against Islamic principles. Engaging in unlawful business transactions. Fraudulent or exploitative business practices are discouraged.